Welcome to this BI Quick Tip. For more background on the BI tool, please visit our Help Files website. In this video, we'll go over how to use hyperlinks in Power BI. This will allow your reports to link out to any websites you embed. This video is mainly for developers. Let's start by loading our data into Power BI. We'll click on Import Data from Excel, select our file, and then click on Open. We'll click on Sheet 1 over here, and in order to change our headers from column 1 and 2 to BI Resources and Links, we'll click on Transform Data. Now, we'll click on Use First Row as headers and then click on Close and Apply. If we go to Data, we can see our table here and see that the links are not clickable. So we'll go back to Reports, click on Table, and fill in our table with the field's values over here. Now, when we expand our table, we'll notice that the links are still not clickable. To make our links clickable, we'll go to Data, click on the link column, click the 3 dots over here, and change our data category to Web URL. This will convert our links to hyperlinks. Going back to the report, we can now click on our hyperlinks and it will take us straight to the web page right away. Thank you for watching this episode of the BI Quick Tips series. You can find all BI Quick Tip videos on the Help Files website. Until next time.